Hey guys, this is Chris Mock from Triple S Polaris, here with another product spotlight. What we have here today is the Assault Tool on the Go. It's jam-packed with all the correct tools for your rig. It's a 62-piece kit. It has pretty much everything you need to be able to get you out of a jam. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this thing up today. Super nice storage bag. It rolls up easy. It's easy to be able to put in your rig, put it behind a seat, attach it to a roll bar. Open this up for you guys. Great Velcro. It's got your hammer. What's really cool about this toolkit also is that it's branded Assault. It's got all the Assault branding on each tool. And so if you say you lose one in your toolbox, you'll be able to find it, be able to put it back in your tool roll, or someone, you know, one of your buddies takes it and you'll be able to be like, hey man, that's my tool, that was from my toolkit. So it's got all your box end wrenches, needle nose pliers, screwdriver, all conveniently packed into this. Also in this side pouch here, we have multiple sockets, Torx bits, also a 1/4 inch extension. I also add a socket for your axle or your clutch tool. I'll put it in with this kit and roll it up with it. Zip ties, but overall this kit is a great starter kit to be able to put this in your machine. I carry mine every time I go out, so super easy to roll up. Really nice clips, heavy duty. Grab handle. These kits are here in stock at Triple S Polaris. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, comment, follow us on Instagram and Facebook.